Did you know you can use ChatGPT directly from WhatsApp?
Yes, it's possible.
Here's how to set it up, step by step.
Stay tuned with me and I am going to show you everything step by step. And don't forget, follow, like, and share this video. Save this too. First, save ChatGPT's official WhatsApp number. Open your contacts, tap Add Contact, enter the number, name it ChatGPT. Then, for the easiest way to start, use the official ChatGPT WhatsApp link. I'll put the link on screen so you can access it directly.
Open WhatsApp.
Let's set up ChatGPT. Search for the official ChatGPT account and make sure it's verified. Open the chat and send a message. Hello, and send a message.
Now just ask anything and get instant answers.
It can write, explain, and generate ideas instantly.
So that is how you can simply add ChatGPT directly into your WhatsApp chat.
Follow for more tech tips and share this with someone who needs it.
See you guys.